Hi, my name is Lea-Ann Alexis. I go by Lea-Ann, Lea-Ann Alexis, Lea-Ann Alexis Thompson, Lea-Ann Thompson, or hey girl, hey Lea-Ann, how are you? I love it all. I will answer to it. I want to share with you the course that has been burning in my heart to give to you. It's called Back to Basics. Why? Because when you know where you came from, you can know where you're going. This course is about getting healthy from your mind, your body, and your spirit. The three aligned are required for you to be whole. Let me share a little bit about me. I went to school in Scarborough. Yay T-Dot, yay Scarborough. I also went to school in Ottawa. That's where I went to university. So, I'm not going to pick a favorite city, but I did like both of them. And yes, I can hack the cold. To share with you what I did in university so that you can understand that my course came by way of completely cross and turns all the way through. I took computers in university and said, I'm never going to handle this. This is not going to last. I really thought that Windows 3.1 was the way to go. Clearly, that's not that truth of the matter. In this day and age, not so much. I ended up going through university and taking psychology, only to find that at the end of psychology, I didn't like it. So I turned around and taught myself computers, cryptography, encryption, and all of the mathematical skills that I required for encryption and cryptography and did not require for psychology. So all of you mathematicians out there, I got it, I got it. However, after doing cryptography for 20 some odd years, I am now sharing my heart, my health, my wealth with you. Why? Life changes and you go through so many things that school just doesn't teach you. So this is why I've decided to offer this course and share it with you so that you too can take all of the things that are bound up inside of you and take control. So let me share with you my smile and share with you some wisdom and share with you a heart of gold and love. So with my smile, I tell you, it takes less than 2 seconds to impact somebody and to make a smile, impact their lives. Go ahead and do that each day. Have a great day.